Hi, this is David letting you know, warning you about Microsoft aggressiveness with their OneDrive. If you're a subscriber to Office 365 and you've got the 1 terabyte OneDrive, when you install that, it will try to take over your system folders of photos, desktop, and documents. And I can show you how it does that. If you open up the settings and you go to Accounts, Autosave, and you say Update Folders, be very careful if you ask it to sync your documents, pictures. These are your system folders from Windows 10. It will suck them in, and you'll never be able to get them back. The drive will always be users, your name, slash OneDrive, and then documents. So I'm pretty upset. My situation was my syncing stopped. I turned on the syncing. I went over to this. I saw this. Actually, I didn't see this. I'll show you what I did. Over to the accounts, choose folders to sync. I selected this box, sync all folders, all files and folders in OneDrive, and it automatically fills in all these boxes. So I thought it was just going to sync these segregated folders, which I've been using for over a year, different from the system folders of, again, desktop, different from the desktop, documents, and pictures. But what it did is it sucked in my true Windows 10 desktop, documents, and pictures. So if I go to desktop and I uncheck something, okay, watch, well, it's already too late. Let me show you my recycle bin. Recycle bin contains 2,676 items. I'm going to take out Space Sniffer here, delete it from the recycle bin, delete AB from the recycle bin. Now I have 2,674 items. Now watch this. I go into choose folders. My entire desktop is now synced. It's been taken over because of, let me just show you that again. Because over here in the autosave, see this, I can stop protecting. If I hit the stop protecting, all of these folders and files are going to go away, and they're going to throw them into the recycle bin. It's just unbelievable. My pictures right now, I've severed the tie from Microsoft OneDrive, but in doing so, I've got myself into a risky situation. Some of my content is now in the recycle bin, so I'm going to leave the desktop synced. But now it's sucked in all of my other documents and folders into the OneDrive folders called Documents and Pictures. So confusing. And they don't give you any kind of warning or notification. It's dumbed down to the point where a tech guy doesn't quite know what's happening. And that's why I'm creating this video today, to let you know. So let me close this. Let me just show you what happens if I go back onto AutoSync and I choose folders. Desktop is one of those folders that's turned on. That's totally controlled by Microsoft OneDrive. If I look over here, here's AB and here's Spaceflight. I'm going to uncheck it because I'm thinking I just want to unsync it. And I'll uncheck Spaceflight. And I say OK. Did you see that? It goes away. It's gone. And where is it? I'm going to close the recycle bin and come back in to show you. There it is. Unchecking the syncing deletes it. Unbelievable. Now I can bring it back and it'll come back from the cloud. It'll come back from the cloud. It has nothing to do with the recycle bin. I say OK. and it's back from the cloud. Everything's on the cloud, except my predicament is after the system did a complete sync overnight, because I was unable to selectively sync while things were moving around. I thought I had control. I unchecked those boxes, and then I deleted them from the cloud, thinking, okay, we're good. But no, they're gone. Now they're in the recycle bin. Thank goodness I didn't refresh the recycle bin or empty the recycle bin. So, okay, it's maddening. I see the pattern. Good luck. Okay, I want to just add to this. This is the recycle bin. Let me get out of there. Let me just show you this. Some of the folders. If I go to one of my system folders, which is hard to get to now, documents. This is my documents folder as distributed when you install the operating system. And it's hard to tell from the file path. There it is. I go into a subfolder. You can see the file path is users, my name, documents. This is not cloud. These were the messages, the folder messages I had to create for myself early on to recover from this madness. So I just wanted to show you, where are my files? They put these little shortcuts in there. After they take over your system files, your system folders of, again, desktop, pictures, and documents. They suck everything in, and they bring them over into here. So here's desktop, here's documents, excuse me. Except I've unsynced my stuff. See, I've lost a whole bunch of my documents because I unselected the documents syncing. And as far as I know, they're still in the recycle bin. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you was this that little icon. Where's my stuff? Where are my files? You click on it. In this case, it takes me right back to where I was. Oh, okay. Good luck. Hey, I wanted to show you just one more thing. Here's my notes. This is my folder called OneDrive Takeover, starting from last night. So let's take a look. A little slideshow here. So this is it sucked everything up. I was trying to figure this stuff out. Notice these little syncing icons. Took over my stuff. Was trying to make some notes here. While it was syncing, I couldn't unsync a folder. It was telling me important folders. An important folder in Windows is currently pointed to OneDrive. Yes, because I asked it again to suck in my operating system, desktop, documents, photos. See, not protected. I unsynced it, unsevered it, cut the umbilical cord. Again, couldn't control it while it was syncing. Then sometimes I got this message. Some of the items you tried to stop syncing aren't in OneDrive yet. Please wait for it to finish syncing. I had to wait all night. All I wanted to do was get some work done last night, and I've been spending now 3, 4, 5 hours on this, trying to get control of my computer back. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.